What's going on, YouTube? Merdicus back here, bringing you guys another video. As you can see, it snowed and we got our trusty Toyota Prius. Hope everyone's doing well watching this. Shout out all the people watching my videos. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. And let's get this video started. I mean, what a difference the snow makes, whether you like it or you don't like it. I find it very, very appealing to look at, especially as I drive. Here we go. I mean, just look at the snow on the trees. That's a speed camera. If you've ever seen one of those. I mean, it is so pretty outside right now. My goodness. Probably gonna go do some photos, honestly. I have the Sony a6300. Might do a little Prius video of the snow. More like a cinematic. Because the camera I'm using right now is a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, I believe. Pretty sure that's what it is. And this one captures very good action. This is considered an action camera. Very good for these POV videos. I really enjoy the quality that it comes out with. But I mean, my goodness, just take a look at that environment. I love how it's like just snow on the trees, but not on the road. That's my favorite, because you can like enjoy the scenery, but not worry about the treacherous conditions on the road while driving. It's 34 degrees right now, so it is melting. It was worse yesterday in terms of the snow on the road. I don't think I really could have done a video. You've just seen more snow. Oh my goodness, people walking. You would have saw more snow on the ground. But, I mean, this is just incredible. There's the power lines. I'll turn right here. I mean, it is just so pretty, my goodness. I mean, I don't know about these power lines, but just if you can see the field right there and just, oh my goodness. Oh, it looks like they're building some new construction over there, wow. Like I was saying, guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post POV videos. I'm gonna start doing some gaming content once I get a new graphics card. That will be a lot of fun. I'm an avid gamer, so that'll be good to, show off my skills and stuff. Stay tuned for that. I will link my Twitch in the description box if you guys like my commentary. I basically just talk while I play video games, and it's pretty chill. But wow, guys, this is so pretty. Gotta be careful right here. Updates though, just been grinding, focusing on, getting this YouTube channel to where I want it to be. Oh, that's a nice BMW. Slow down right here. I am truly pleased to make this video for you guys. I mean, just wow, like I'm looking at it right now. I bet it looks insane through the video. That's why I like these POV videos. It's kind of like what I'm seeing in real life. But I mean, it is so pretty outside. Words cannot describe it. Definitely have to take some pictures. I mean, my goodness. I don't know what the weather's gonna be like when it snows really hard. This is a front wheel drive car. Can't really use this one too much. Unfortunately, the BMW, I bought tires for the front set. I saw someone comment down below recently they wanted to see some E90 videos. Unfortunately, I hit the curb and it's been immobile basically. I got it started and running, but I can't really drive it too much just because I'm gonna need to fix it. That's why I'm really focusing on these YouTube grind so I can, you know, potentially fix it through the YouTube revenue. But other than that, guys, enjoy what you have, count your blessings, and just stay humble. You know, stay on your path, stay on your journey. We're all working towards something, and I wish you the best, and the best of luck, and just best of everything with your journey. But I mean, I love cruising in this Prius. Honestly, it's just very economical, very low profile. no one really breaks their neck looking at you. I feel pretty incognito in this car. But it's just, what a wonderful day it is to go on a little ride and, you know, post a little YouTube video for y'all. It's a nice Tesla. Wow, guys, this scenery is just absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Where should I go? Actually, I'm gonna turn right here. Go to this little neighborhood. I mean, just driving through neighborhoods itself is just so pretty. Love the trees. Wow. This is definitely gonna be a great YouTube video. For sure. I mean, I bet this is gonna come out stunning on video. Like I was saying, guys, I really appreciate all the love and support I've reached on my channel. I'll continue making these videos for y'all. I mean, it is just such a blast to just travel and, you know, capture it on camera. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just enjoying the ride. But well, guys, I don't want to keep you all too long. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I for sure did. Make sure you check my other videos on my channel if you've not. I got more videos where I talk and drive. I'm gonna have to come up with a name for it. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Maybe make a name for this series. Cause I'd name it POV Test Drive. It's not really a test drive, more of like a POV vlogging type thing. It's like I think it's a new type of video content. But like I was saying, guys, I am so blessed for everyone, you know, supporting me and, you know, liking my videos and commenting. You guys are amazing. Like I was saying before, I don't want to keep you guys too soon. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not. Americus is out. Peace.